Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best cash app for sending money internationally. So let's quickly dive into it. If you're trying to send money internationally with Cash App, the best option you have is the United States to UK transfer route, because that's the only supported international pathway. Transfer between the United States and United Kingdom are fast, low fee, and work just like normal Cash App payment. The app automatically converts the currency at a fair rate, making it simple for both sides. For any other country, Cash App isn't designed for international transfer, so you will need alternatives like Wise or PayPal. But if you are sending between the United States and United Kingdom, Cash App is more of the smoothest way to move money across border. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more quick finance tips, and comment which country you want options for next. And that's it.